Hello, what's up guys? Here is Cryptos. Welcome back to our YouTube channel where we help new beginners traders succeed in the financial market. And in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to log into LBank exchange app from their website down to the app, right? So without wasting much time, before we get started, subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on that notification button so you get notified each time we post an important video like this. So in this video, you're just going to click on this website right there. Once you click on it, it will take you to their website, right? So you have two options here. You either register with your phone number or your email address, but for this video I'll be using my email address, but you can always go with whichever option you feel like it's okay for you. But I'm just going to type in my email and my password, so I will register with my email and password, but you can always use either your phone number, whichever options you feel like is okay for you. You can go ahead and use it. So right now I'm putting in my password, and once I'm done, I'll just click on the login button. So I'll click on the login button right now. It's loading, just allow it to load, and there you go. I have successfully logged in to their website, right? So I'm just going to go to my Play Store right away to download the app, so I can also log in through the app because I've logged in from the website. So I'll just go ahead to my Play Store, and on my search bar I'll search for LBank exchange. So you type in LBank exchange, right? So that is it. You click on it. If you haven't downloaded it, it's going to show you install, but for me I have downloaded it, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on open right away. I'll just click on that open icon, and once I click on it, you allow it to load, and there you go. This is my home page after clicking on it, but I'm just going to log into my account because remember I already registered and signed up on their website. So I'm just going to log into my account right away. So right now I'll put in my email. Remember I used my email for the logins and the sign up, so I'm just going to type in my email. And remember, whichever options you use in their website, that should be the option you should be using in the app. If not, it will not accept. So right now I've logged into my LBank exchange, and where this is my home page where you'll be seeing the home market, trade, futures and wallet, and this is my futures right here, and this is my wallet. This is how to log into your LBank exchange app from their website down to the app. If you enjoyed this video, this is Cryptos, where we help new beginners traders succeed in the financial market. And if you're watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on that notification button so you get notified each time we post an important video like this. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.